Okay, so in this video we're going to look at how a vaccine works. So we have vaccines to help prevent people from catching potentially deadly diseases that your body might not be able to fight by itself. So immunisation involves giving people vaccines which are made of dead or inactive forms of a disease-causing pathogen. So what happens is the vaccine is injected into your body. And this stimulates your immune system, and the white blood cells start to produce antibodies. So we've got the white blood cell here, the specific antibodies on here. Now these antibodies won't be formed until it recognises the foreign cells of the pathogen. It will start to produce those antibodies once it recognises the shape of it, and then it will start to catch and destroy these antigens. So remember, the antigens are attached on the surface of the pathogen, and that's how the body recognises that it's a foreign cell and it needs to be killed. So once your immune system has been stimulated, so you've had the vaccine, it's not really going to affect your body because it's dead or very weak forms, so your body can actually fight it. The white blood cells are triggered, they produce the antibodies which destroy the antigens, and this means that if your body meets the same pathogen again, your white blood cells remember it and respond a lot more quickly. So a good example of how this has worked, so all of you pretty much would have had the MMR vaccine, which you've had when you're younger, so that stops measles, mumps and rubella, and this has been highly successful and prevented millions of deaths. Also, another thing, smallpox. Now this disease is not around anymore because vaccines have actually prevented people from catching the disease, so it's now become dead and inactive. There's no more disease, it's been wiped out completely. So there are two examples of how vaccination programs have been very, very successful. Okay.